Question 9 was one of the most missed questions on Benchmark 2. It is asking a question taken from the Most Dangerous Game passage. Okay, so it asks the following. The author uses the description of the setting, A, to help establish a mysterious mood, B, to introduce the characters in the story, C, to give the characters something to discuss, D, to show the difference that the next day will bring. So let's take a look at the description. And right away it says, off there to the right somewhere is a large island, said Whitney. It is rather a mystery. Okay, look at this word. The fact that they use mystery right away, it's like, what is going on here? They then go on to talk about the description with the setting. Okay, so, can't see it, remarked Rainsford, trying to peer through the dank tropical night that was palpable as it pressed its thick, warm blackness in upon the yacht. So you can tell as the reader from the imagery used that it is a very, very dark night. It's hard to see. Okay, so they're giving this description of setting. They use this word mystery, and it's a super dark night. So let's take a look again at the question. So you want to keep in mind, usually when you think of setting, it's called setting because it's kind of setting up the story. You figure out where things are taking place. So let's take a look. To help establish a mysterious mood, to introduce the characters in the story, to give the characters something to discuss, to show the difference that the next day will bring. So yes, we are introduced to our characters. We have Rainsford and Whitney, but do they have to do with where the story is taking place? Not really. So introducing the characters, we can actually put an X on that one. To give the characters something to discuss. Is that why this author is describing this setting? So even though Whitney is describing this island, what they're talking about, is that, the point of this? Probably not, okay? To give the characters something to discuss, we're going to X that out. To show the difference the next day will bring. Hard to decide, but you just want to keep in mind, as you're reading, you're the reader, what are you feeling when this person, Rainsford, is trying to look around? He can't see a thing because it is pitch black. You're not thinking as the reader to show the difference that the next day is going to bring in the story. You're thinking about what's happening now. Okay, so the author here is trying to help establish a mysterious mood. This pitch black night, and they can't see a thing. Okay, so the answer here is A.